Welcome back to Home Remedies TV. Today we will talk about the topic of smoothies for diabetics. Today's video is titled, 5 Delicious Smoothie Recipes Perfect for Managing Diabetes. Breakfast is often described as the most crucial meal of the day, especially for those managing diabetes. Beginning your day with the right kind of nutrients can help in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Incorporating smoothies for diabetes into your morning routine can be a delightful and nutritious way to kickstart your day. These blends are designed with fruits for diabetes, ensuring they're not only delicious but also beneficial for your health. Let's dive into 5 flavorful smoothie recipes that marry health and taste seamlessly. 1. Vibrant Green Power Smoothie for Diabetes. Ingredients: spinach, pineapple, banana, almond milk, chia seeds. Energize your mornings with the Vibrant Green Power Smoothie, a concoction that packs a punch of essential vitamins, minerals, and protein. This smoothie's primary ingredients, including spinach and pineapple, are considered excellent fruits for diabetes, offering a sweet yet nutrient-rich start to the day. The inclusion of almond milk and chia seeds adds a creamy texture and a burst of healthy fats and fiber. It's a true powerhouse in a glass. 2. Morning Berry Blast. Ingredients: mixed berries, Greek yogurt, honey, avocado, coconut water. Awaken your senses with the Morning Berry Blast. This smoothie marvel brings together the antioxidant-rich mixed berries, creamy Greek yogurt, natural sweetness from honey, and the smooth texture of avocado, all diluted with hydrating coconut water for a refreshing drink. Berries are known as favorable fruits for diabetes, making this smoothie not only a treat to your taste buds but also a friend to your health. 3. Protein-packed Peanut Butter Smoothie. Ingredients: oatmeal, banana, peanut butter, almond milk, protein powder. Perfect for post-exercise nourishment or a hearty start to the day, the protein-packed peanut butter smoothie is a delightful blend highlighting the nutritional benefits of oatmeal, banana, and peanut butter. Together with almond milk and a scoop of protein powder, this smoothie serves as an excellent meal alternative, offering a balanced mix of proteins, healthy fats, and carbs. 4. Tropical Sunrise Smoothie. Ingredients: mango, pineapple, banana, coconut milk, turmeric. Capture the essence of a tropical paradise with the Tropical Sunrise Smoothie. This recipe combines mango, pineapple, and banana with the creaminess of coconut milk and a hint of turmeric for an anti-inflammatory boost. It's a refreshing choice, perfect for invigorating your mornings or as a sunlit snack. The low glycemic index fruits used in this smoothie make it an excellent option for individuals focusing on smoothies for diabetes management. 5. Creamy Almond Joy Smoothie. Ingredients: almond milk, banana, unsweetened cocoa powder, almond butter, honey. Indulge your sweet tooth healthfully with the Creamy Almond Joy Smoothie. This smoothie is a guilt-free treat for chocolate enthusiasts, blending the tasty richness of unsweetened cocoa powder with the creamy texture of almond milk and almond butter. Sweetened naturally with a dash of honey. It's a delicious way to comply with a diabetes-friendly diet without skimping on flavor. Embarking on a journey with diabetes doesn't mean saying goodbye to delicious and satisfying meals. These 5 smoothies for diabetes are meticulously crafted, keeping both health and taste in mind. They offer a balanced blend of fruits, vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats, ensuring a nutritious and delightful start, or boost, to your day. Remember, managing blood sugar doesn't have to be bland. Explore these delectable smoothies and bring joy and health to your dining table. Cheers to vibrant mornings and vibrant health. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please comment below the video. Please click like, share and subscribe to the channel to support us.